Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to implement a C program in order to perform sum of elements in an array. Okay. So this is an important interview program. Let's get started. So in order to perform summation of elements in an array, first of all, we have to declare the array. Yes or no? So let's declare a compile time initialization of elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like this. Okay. So totally we have taken 6 elements inside an array, right? Now, in order to perform sum of elements, we have to store the result in a variable. So let us consider the variable as a sum. An initial value of sum is 0. Okay. So in order to iterate the entire array, for that purpose, we'll be taking array corresponding index variable as I, which is also known as loop variable. Okay. So sum equal to 0, comma I. Now let me write for loop in order to iterate through each index of this array. Okay. I equal to 0. And you can see how many elements are there inside this array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 elements are there inside array. Yeah. Now, in order to add elements to a variable, so we have to write sum is equal to sum plus a of I. Okay. You can see I is a index variable which is iterating from I equal to 0 to I equal to 5. So which means the values located at a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 will be added one by one to the variable called sum. So the entire result is saved inside variable sum. So now we can display this value. Okay. Sum is equal to sum, right? So in order to execute, you have to press this particular button here. And you can see the result. Sum is equal to 210. Yes or no? 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 plus 50 is 150. 150 plus 60 is 210. Yes, correct answer. Isn't it?